also, Karishma, there's a debate about how men and women are treated when they get promotions. This often happens in the entertainment industry. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I've not noticed that much, but yeah, I mean, if you notice little bit, I mean, yeah, I mean, male and heroes are given more importance when it comes to promotions, and actually, women are also. I mean,
No,
it depends on the
yes.
concept. It depends on the story. You know, I've seen like this Balaji film which is coming right now. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for-
Everybody's
Yeah.
there out there and all that. So I think now it's equal.
Now it's changing. Like
changing.
industry is changing over the years.
Yeah.
Even this perception.
Initially, it was only the stars,
Male.
the male stars. They were there everywhere, and the actresses who used to be equally there in the
Yeah.
film were not kind of promoted.
Yeah.
But now I think the tables
It's
have
on.
turned. Yeah, totally.
So now I'm going to change the topic a little bit, and we're going to talk about marriage.
Oh.
So tell me, how does the marriage dynamic work when you have a supportive partner who's always, supporting you in your choices? There's being seen as an equal in a relationship matter.
Equality in marriage really matters because equality means your voice is being heard, decisions are made together, you're understanding the partner, you listen to the partner and you take decisions. So it's very important that what are your opinions, and I always wanted a husband who doesn't just do what he wants to do
Yeah.
on his own, who respects me as a partner, and every small little decision, be it a holiday or be it what are we doing next tomorrow, whatever,
Very good.
has
What
to
did
be
you know?
has to be taken together. That respect and that importance
Yes.
you need in a relationship. You have to be like buddies, you have to be like partners, like partner in crime or partner, that you and I are one team. And Varun and I always tell this to each other, that you
Yeah.
and me are a team against the world.
Yeah. It's never you versus me.
Yeah.
It's us versus.
Even if we have arguments, it's us together. Let's
Yeah.
solve that as a team.
Yeah.
So we always have that thing. So I think equality is very, very important in a relationship to sustain.
So tell me, like, what do you do about your health? Like, how do you take care of your body, your mental well-being, your physical well-being? How do you do that?
So we work out. Varun and I love to work out. So I've always been a fitness freak. I don't
I've
do it
seen you.
because I'm in this industry. I do it because I enjoy working out. Be it yoga, be it weight training, be it cardio, intensity workout, anything. I just love working out. So I think that's how I keep myself fit. We eat right. We try to eat right. But when we are on holiday, you just want to let loose and enjoy. But we try to eat right. And there are times where I feel low, where I feel, the energy is being sucked out and all that. But you just have to push yourself, get out from that black hole, which is kind of
Pulling you down.
And it's very easy to get pulled down because
Yeah.
you are then continuously in that black hole. You're getting
Yeah.
into that. But you have to pull yourself out. What I do is I play with my dog. I read Bhagavad Gita. So I distract myself and
You have your tools.
and then I talk to my husband and he peps me up. So basically we keep doing that
Yeah.
to each other.
How nice.
And listen to music. Music plays a very important part in my life. I just listen to good music, not necessarily meditational music,
Yeah.
but good music, and then just kind of gets me out of that zone I am in.
And tell me, like, do you do like regular checkups, health checkups, or do you like suggest that women do that, say like post 30, like?
Yeah.
What about?
Like initially I used to not do it, but
Yeah.
as we age, we have to do it. My mother's told me to do it every 6 months.
Yeah.
So I do it every 6 months, sometimes every 1 year, but I do regular.
So you
checkups.
are taking care of your body and your health.
Yeah, I want to act, I want to live, I want to be healthy.
How nice to know that. So I'm going to wrap up our interview with this
Yes.
question. And so, Mental Health Day is coming very soon. So what would be your one advice to, say, like women like me, women like you, like how do they take care of themselves, their mental health, while still being in such a challenging
Yeah, I would say I know it's a very passe comment, but be positive. I know it's very difficult in this kind of environment to be positive. Be focused. Don't lose hope. This is my personal experience. Do not lose hope. And then you don't lose hope, you create magic, you know. So I think yes, I mean to everyone, you know, just try and be sane and try and be positive. And whenever you're speaking to anybody, just think that you are giving the same thing to the universe. So speak positive. Always think that everything is going to happen for the best.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Karishma. It was nice
Lovely
having you here.
Thank you.
Yes. See you.